Cooking up a plot, unraveling the mystery of idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll unravel the meaning behind the phrase, cooking up a plot. Idioms like this one add color and depth to language, but they can be confusing for learners. So, let's explore it together. In this section, we'll talk about what idioms are. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that's different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. They are often used in everyday speech and can be a challenge for language learners because they don't make sense when taken literally. Now, let's focus on our idiom, cooking up a plot. This phrase does not involve cooking in the literal sense. Instead, it's a metaphorical expression. It means to plan something secretly, especially something deceptive or mischievous. Think of it like mixing ingredients in a pot, but instead of food, it's a plan or a scheme. Let's see some examples. 1. The employees were cooking up a plot to surprise their boss with a party. Here, it's used in a positive, harmless way. 2. The characters in the novel were cooking up a plot to overthrow the king. This shows the phrase used in a context of conspiracy or rebellion. In this part, we'll discuss how you can use this idiom in your conversations. Remember, it's best used in informal settings. You can use it when you suspect someone is planning something secret, or when you're humorously describing your own plans. And that's a wrap on cooking up a plot. I hope this video has illuminated this interesting idiom for you. Remember, idioms are a fun way to spice up your language skills and sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and don't forget to have fun with the language. Until next time, happy learning!